We've already solved this problem by simply getting the formula that y equals mx plus b with the y-intercept and the slope so that we could figure out how to graph it. There's also another way to kind of do this. If you go back to your original problem called the ABC method. And basically what we do is, if you remember in general form, the 2 would be the a value, the b value would be the -1 in front of the number in front of the y, which would be a -1, and c would be 8. And then what we did was this here, and if you were to treat this as an ax plus by, notice we always move the x over. Notice whatever number is here, this 2x, it's the opposite over here. So that's what this is showing here. This a, whatever it is here, is the opposite, and we're going to end up dividing it by whatever number was in front of the b. So that means it's, so basically -2 divided -1 is my slope. So this is the way I can quickly find the slope, and the y-intercept would be that last number term c divided also by b, so you already did 8 by b, which turns out to be 8 divided by -1 or -8. So that's a quick way I can find my y-intercept and slope to graph. And the same thing right here. On this problem right here, if I go to the original problem, the x plus y equals 1, well, a is 1, b is 1, and c is 1. So what I'm going to end up doing is have -a over b would be -1 over 1. And then your y-intercept would be the 1 divided by 1. So notice we did end up with the same slope and the same y-intercept. This is just a quick way to do it called the ABC method. So, once again, solve it by graphing. We'd have the y-intercept and the slope at 2 in the first one. And then we'd have the y-intercept at 1 going down 1 over 1. And there we go. Our solution would then be at the point 3, -2 for that particular graph.